On today's episode of Big Red's Barn, we get rid of these old Flowmaster mufflers and swap out to something with a little more aggression, the Black Widow Venom 250.
Here we go.
Dustin here, Big Red's Barn. So, gonna do a little swap here. Going from the Flowmaster to the Black Widow Venom. I guess we'll see what happens here. Currently right now on the truck we got Flowmaster 50 series mufflers. We got some mid-length headers, 2.5-inch pipe, true duals out the back, and I'm gonna go down right now and swap out the Flowmaster 50 series, and I'm gonna be putting on these Black Widow Venom 250s. And the Flowmaster are nice, they sound decent. You know, they're not super loud, but they have a real nice sound to them. I like the idle and everything, but personally I prefer something with a little more
Aggression
when you're driving it. So we're getting ready to go down and get this taken care of, and then we're gonna do a little comparison and show you guys what the other mufflers sound like when we get them on. So see you on the other side. Going up to our local muffler shop. My personal taste in exhaust systems is probably a bit louder than some. And I had Flowmaster on other cars, and I got Flowmasters on this. And in this particular truck, it's just a little too tame for me. The Flowmaster 50s sound great. They're nice and quiet in the cab. They're probably great for a lot of people, but for me, I wanted something with a little more volume and aggression. It makes it a lot more fun for me to drive. I'm really excited to get this thing on the road and see what it sounds like.
Here we go.
the road. Got the Black Widow 250s on there now. Doing about 50. Really, when you're just cruising like this, and I'm only like maybe 1400 RPMs, pretty quiet. Not overly loud. As the RPMs raise, it gets a little loud. The thing I like about these Black Widows is when you're driving the truck around normally, really not even louder than Flowmasters. But when you got the windows down, I'll show you here in a minute what they sound like. Thanks for watching my video on the comparison between Black Widows and Flowmaster. I really love my new exhaust. Please leave a comment below as to which one you prefer. Thanks a lot. See you soon.